Hi, I'm here with Margaret today, and she wanted to kind of tell you about her successes with our care. We had a great time treating her. Margaret, tell me who sent you in to see us?
I was fortunate enough to be referred by my massage therapist and also by my next door neighbor.
Yes, and give us some background on what was going on with you before you came.
I was in a near fatal wreck about 10 years ago, and I had fractured two of my cervical spine, and I had broken bones throughout my body: shoulders, ribs, pelvis, wrist, ankle, kneecap, and I was in a lot of pain. I felt like my neck was being mashed down into my body and my lower back. If I stood longer than 5 minutes, the pain would be horrible, and I'd have to sit down and put my feet up for a while.
And you're walking so much better than when you first came in. I've noticed that as we've evaluated you and assessed things as we've gone along.
Oh yeah, my ease of movement has increased so much, and the range of movement in my neck alone is just remarkable. I am so thankful.
That is wonderful. Tell the viewers some about what happened with your hot flashes as a part of this treatment.
Oh my goodness! For over 10 years, I had been suffering with. They weren't hot flashes. I called them hot seasons because I would perspire all day, every day. I wore a hand towel around my neck as part of my permanent attire, and I couldn't cool off. I wore sleeveless clothing. I carried fans with me. I was always hot. In church, it was miserable because I would just sit there and sweat, and of course there's no nice way to wipe sweat in church. And I would even have problems getting dressed in the morning because I'd have to go back into the bathroom and towel off 2 or 3 times while getting dressed.
And that's all gone now?
It's all gone. After about the 2nd or 3rd visit here, it was just like someone hit a light switch. Yes. And it was so remarkable because I had been to 5 different specialists and tried all kinds of their medications, and nothing worked. But so far, so good.
Wonderful. That's great. Well, we use some of our cutting-edge therapies. Of course, we use the adjustment with the spine, the Hockamed therapy to help with the pain and control that and to get some life back in those nerves. We did spinal decompression with Margaret, as well as using the PMF, the pulsed electromagnetic field. Just really delighted with the improvement. And as I've mentioned before, I wish we had 100 patients like you because you're a real pleasure to see and treat. Anything else that you would like to say?
Oh, anyone who's having any type of problem, regardless of whether you think it's related to your spine or not, it's well worth the visit to come here because you're so thorough and so caring. And I'm not a person who likes to take a lot of pills. They tried to give me pain pills, but most of them were opiates. And I didn't want to do that to my body. But this is a natural way to heal and to improve, and I would recommend your treatments to anyone.
Well, I'm very pleased that we could help you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.